Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add places on the Life360 app. All right, so first up, open up the app. Now, once you're in here on your dashboard, just go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find places. All right, below that, we have the option to add a place. All right, as it states here, get alerted as circle members come and go. So just tap on it to add a place. As you can see here, we have a ton of selection. We have your home, school, work, gym, and grocery store. Now, if you want to add in a new place, just go ahead and tap on the plus sign right here. Tap on it. If you want to, you can go ahead and put the location manually, or you can go ahead and tap on locate on map. All right. For example, we're going to tap on locate on map right here, and the map will open. All right. So for example, I'm just going to zoom in like so. And for example, this is my parents' house right here in this area. And then I'm going to tap on next. Okay. So we're going to name the place, for example, mom and dad house. Just like that. I'm going to hit on done and wait for it to load. Okay. Now, once it loads, you're going to want to tap on got it. And as you can see here, mom and dad's house has been added. And here we have the notification. Just tap on it. It says here, place notification is off. Just go ahead and tap on it once more to make sure that it is set to enabled. That's basically how you do it. And as you can see here, when we zoom in, we have mom and dad's home right here. I'm going to tap the pin. And as you can see, we have the location name. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.